Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the bushing on the control arm on the front suspension. The bushing that we're going to change is on Seat Ibiza, Volkswagen Polo and Skoda Fabia. And that's the bushing right there. First we start by removing the wheel. Next we'll remove the 3 bolts that hold the ball joint to the control arm, and also remove the bolt for the drive shaft. Remove this bolt as well on the control arm, and then we have to remove the control arm from the bushing. We have to pull it out, maybe use a pry bar. We start by removing the bolt for the drive shaft. Next we remove the bolts that hold the control arm and the one on the ball joint as well. Next we have to remove the control arm from the bushing, so we'll use a pry bar to pull the control arm out of the bushing. And there you go, the control arm is out. Next we have to replace the bushing. First we mark the exact place of the bushing so that we can put the new bushing exactly in the same position. First we'll use an angle grinder to remove the plastic that's on top of the bushing. Next thing, we remove the bushing. To remove the bushing, we use an M10 rod, and we have to push out the bushing. So we use tools, you see them in the video, I don't know what they're called, but we have to push the bushing from one side and it will go out the other side. Here it is, the bushing is removed. Next we clean the place for the bushing with the wire brush, and we start putting on the new bushing. Make sure you put the new bushing in the same position as was the old bushing. Now that we've put everything on, we'll start pushing the new bushing into its place. And that's it, the new bushing is in. Next we have to put on the control arm into the bushing. To push the control arm into the bushings, you might need to grease the bushing a little bit and maybe use a pry bar and a hammer just so that it goes in. It's not so easy, but it will go in eventually. After a little bit of knocking and the use of pry bar, the control arm is finally in, so now we need to put the bolt on the control arm and assemble everything back in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. If it was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.